Imagine walking through dense forests and stumbling upon a vibrant mushroom with an otherworldly appearance. Would you guess that this one piece of fungi has the capability to start your heart 100 times over? Or maybe you got lucky and it makes a tasty snack. As a hobby mycologist myself, I find the life cycle and beneficial uses of mushrooms very intriguing, and as such have done a fair bit of research on the matter in my own time, as well as for this assignment. Understanding the world of mushrooms is important due to their ecological significance and potential health benefits. As UVU students, being knowledgeable about the things we may run into on an everyday basis, from foreign worldviews to foreign plants, animals, and fungi, is a sure step to a greater understanding and an open mind. This informative speech will explore my journey into the fascinating world of fungi and why they're so interesting, including their diverse forms, ecological importance, and potential health benefits. First, I will tell you about my journey into fungi. Next, we will examine the various forms of mushrooms. Then, we will discuss their ecological role as well as potential health benefits associated with them. First, let me set the scene for you. In 2022, I was on a strong nature kick and went on a lot of camping trips. While scrolling on social media one day, I stumbled across content related to foraging food for survival. This was very interesting for me at the time, as it opened up a world I had not known existed. I soon started finding myself recognizing more and more indigenous plants and fungi that were edible, and I wanted to incorporate these into my diet. Eventually, I started to grow oyster mushrooms when it got too cold to camp and forage, and from there I found a fascination with mycology, the study of fungi. But enough about my journey into nature, let's talk about why fungi can be so interesting to learn about. For many people, mushrooms are assumed to be pretty much the same as plants. However, this is not the case. In the article Five Kingdoms, More or Less, Joel B. Hagen tells about how in 1969, a scientist by the name of Robert Whitaker suggested that there should be five kingdoms of life as opposed to the outdated two-kingdom system of today. This hypothesis has been accepted by the scientific community, with fungi having their own distinct kingdom. This is a worthwhile distinction to make due to the fact that many people assume mushrooms grow like plants, which is not true as they exist in an entirely different kingdom from plants and animals, and have different roles in the way they contribute to an ecosystem. We now know that fungi are different, but how is that shown in nature? Mushrooms exhibit diverse structures and characteristics. However, mushroom morphology can vary significantly among different species, showcasing a wide range of colors, shapes, sizes, and textures. Some mushrooms have unique features like distinctive patterns, rings, or scales on their caps. There are numerous mushroom species, each with its own distinct attributes. For instance, Amanita muscaria, commonly known as the fly agaric, is recognizable for its bright cap adorned with white spots. Lion's mane, on the other hand, stands out with its shaggy white cascading tendrils resembling a lion's mane. Oyster mushrooms, like the ones that I grow, are shaped like this, and they have a delicate flavor and versatility in culinary applications. They make a very good risotto. When comparing these three types, Amanita muscaria is known for its psychoactive properties and has been featured in various cultural and folkloric references. Lion's mane is prized for its potential cognitive benefits and is often used in traditional medicine. Oyster mushrooms are popular for their culinary appeal and are cultivated worldwide for their rich flavor and nutritional value. In 2008, a photographer and scientist, Gary Enberger, documented 10 distinct shapes of mushrooms that grow exclusively on wood. His photographs that I've shown you showcase the remarkable diversity found in mushroom structures and emphasize the fascinating adaptations these organisms have developed. Fungi also play a vital role in ecosystems, particularly in decomposition and nutrient cycling. As decomposers, they break down organic matter, such as fallen trees or leaf litter, releasing nutrients back into the soil and atmosphere. This process helps maintain soil fertility and supports the growth of other organisms. Furthermore, mushrooms can form symbiotic relationships with plants. In these partnerships, fungal mycelium intertwines with plant roots, enhancing the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. In return, the plants provide the fungus with sugars produced through photosynthesis. This interaction benefits both parties, contributing to improved plant growth and increasing ecosystem resilience. In 2020, Kira Berber highlighted the ability of mushrooms to establish fungal networks underground, enabling communication and nutrient sharing among plants. This shows that mushrooms can act as conduits, facilitating the exchange of resources and information between different plants, further emphasizing their ecological significance. Mushrooms not only offer culinary enjoyment, but also provide valuable nutrition. They are low in calories and fat while being a good source of protein and minerals. Including mushrooms in a balanced diet can contribute to overall nutritional well-being. Moreover, mushrooms can be recognized for their medicinal properties and potential therapeutic applications. Certain mushroom species contain bioactive compounds that exhibit antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Traditional medicinal practices, particularly in Eastern cultures, have long utilized mushrooms for their potential in supporting immune function, promoting vitality, and addressing various health concerns. Ongoing research continues to explore the health benefits of mushrooms, including their potential in preventing chronic diseases, supporting cognitive health, and even aiding in cancer treatment. Scientists are investigating the bioactive compounds present in different mushroom species and their mechanisms of action, providing promising avenues for future therapeutic developments. In summary, mushrooms are fascinating organisms with diverse structures and characteristics. They played essential ecological roles in decomposition, nutrient cycling, and symbiotic relationships with plants. Additionally, mushrooms offer nutritional value and have potential health benefits, making them both a culinary delight and a subject of scientific interest in various fields. Today, I have shared with you experiences that got me into fungi, what makes fungi so interesting in the first place, and how we can identify and use different mushrooms today. The magical world of fungi offers a wealth of knowledge and potential for future research, and an increased awareness of mushrooms' ecological and health benefits may lead to conservation efforts and further exploration of their potential applications. By delving into the enchanting realm of mushrooms, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of nature and the potential benefits they offer to both ecosystems and human health. Thank you.